Hey guys, welcome back to House of Organic Beauty. In this video, I'll be doing a review on the Easy blow dryer brush. I've been hearing a lot about this brush and how well it works, so I'll be trying it on my son's hair. So typically I would wash his hair in these twists that you see here, then take each twist down, moisturize it, and put it right back in. But for the sake of this video and this review, I wanted to show you guys how this blow dryer works. Okay, and trust me guys, I regretted my decision making that day, like I always do. I should have just kept his hair the way it was and twisted, do my old little thing. But I wanted to be a pest and try this blow dryer on his hair. I should have tried it on the girl's hair, but chat, I don't know. I was excited to use it, and the girls had a protective style in that was gonna last forever. So I'm like, since I'm doing this hair, I might as well. But yeah. So I just washed his hair, and I am unraveling the twist, and then I will be putting in a leave-in conditioner and then blowing out his hair. So as you can see, that area still has conditioner in it. So what I would do is saturate that area with my spray bottle and then dab it with a fiber cloth towel, however you say it, I don't know. And then that will get the conditioner right up. You can feel free to go back to the shampoo bowl and rinse the hair out, but as for me in my house, I'm not doing that because I already know it's already a lot of work, especially on a toddler. So yeah, carefully, please unravel the tips as carefully as you can. And then, just take your time when unraveling a twist. These twists were in for like about I usually leave it in for a month, 3 weeks to a month. And as you can see, it still looks nice. But yeah, he does have lengths, and I will be eventually combing that out with the blow dryer. It'll come out, so there's no biggie. But spray, and then dab, and that's it. The other white part is just lint. So with the lint, typically I would just comb it out with a small tooth comb. Like I would kind of drag the lint kind of, halfway down the hair strands as far as it can go, like as far as the comb can go, as you can see here. And then I would just spread it. And just, do what you gotta do. So I am done with the back. I'll be using the Chi Iron Guard heat protectant, and then the pomegranate line by Mielle Organics. This stuff makes his hair very soft. And then I'll be going in with my House of Organic Beauty oil blend just to kind of seal everything in. I am creating subsections because my son's hair is really thick. I am combing it using a wide tooth comb just to make the process easier for him and I, okay? So I'm splitting the hair, combing it before I end up using the brush. All right. So right now I am using the brush. As you can see, I picked this color. I think it comes in 3 colors. A pink one, this color right here, like a teal, and then I don't know what else. One thing I hate about this blow dryer is that the cord is really short. I think it's 5 feet long. It is short for my liking. It is way too short, way too short. So that was strike one. Strike two is that it doesn't really get that hot, and it doesn't blow out that much. I don't know if I'm making sense, but it is easy to use for the most part. It is a little bulky, but it's light. It is easy to use, but I felt like I kept passing the brush like too many times. I mean, maybe I'm tripping, but it didn't get as hot, which is not a big deal, but the pressure, like the air wasn't like hard enough for me, or it didn't blow out strong enough for me in order to get the hair dry. I don't know if I'm making sense, but it did get the job done. I am retwisting each section, and then I will repeat step 1 through like 25 all over his head. So my daughter came in to help me untwist. Oh my goodness. I felt like I was gonna be there forever. So she came in and helped me untwist, and then, yeah, it just made life a lot easier for me. So I am finally done. Okay, I wanted to kind of do something different to his hair this time. I usually would like look at pictures to see exactly what style I am going to do, either for my client or for my kids, because I don't have that talent anymore where I just think of a design in my head and poof, I create it on somebody's head. But for this particular style, I think I ended up just doing regular back braids, and then just doing like a little simple style to the side. But you'll see what I'm talking about. So please don't mind the white specks that is in his hair. I wanted to comb it out, but because he was so irritated, I just left it in. It was a struggle getting through that whole hour or two. Okay, so I'm like, you know what? I don't want to further irritate him. So let me just get these braids done. I ended up doing like, I think 6 braids and calling it a day. The final product I'll be using is my favorite scalp grease by Royal Crown. I grew up with this grease. I grew up with this grease and the grease called Dax, D-A-X. Those greases are like, those are staple. Okay, you sometimes, majority of the time I would use just the grease and sometimes I would use just the oil, but I find myself mixing my House of Organic Beauty oil into the grease, you know, 2-in-1, honey, okay, and call it a day. But yeah, I'm fixing up his part, making it look semi-cute or straight. But you don't see his face, he's miserable. So I need to just hurry up. So as you can see, he touched his hair and he was like, oh. He was feeling his hair, boy. You're gonna see a great big smile on his face, boy. Like he, my Sour Patch Kid, yeah. So this is the other side close up. right here is where I got a little creative. My creative juices were flowing at that moment. So I was like, okay, let me do a little design, okay? Some people say it looked like a Spider-Man design. I wasn't going for a Spider-Man design, but I'm happy that it looked like something, okay? It was just something random that I just ended up doing. I am spraying the root of his hair because it felt really, really dry. So that's what I do. Like sometimes if the hair is feeling too dry, although I, blew it out, I'm gonna spray it to get that moisture back in. Spray it, do a leave-in conditioner, anything to get that moisture back in. But not too much, of course. Boy, was I happy to be done. Man, I think I was more happy than he was. Okay, he didn't even know it, I'm telling you. But this is how the style came out. I hope you guys like it. It's giving me bing bing vibes, like Spider-Man vibes, I don't know. But I hope you guys like it. He ended up liking it. He was like, I'm gonna go show my daddy when he gets home. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, you already know, be blessed. Bye.